talk about a different kind of library. This contains medical equipment that you can check out. Things like wheelchairs, knee scooters, hospital beds, shower safety equipment, and more. You borrow these items and you can donate them as well to help the cause. My guest is Elliot Sloyer, founder and CEO of the nonprofit Wheel It Forward in Stamford and now in Bridgeport. Welcome to you, Elliot.
Thanks, Ann. Thanks for having me.
You bet. How and why did you start this nonprofit?
So we were inspired by an organization in Israel called Yad Sarah, founded 40 years ago, 7,000 volunteers, whether you're rich or poor, Jewish, Muslim, or Christian in Israel. If you need this type of equipment, you're likely to borrow it from them at no cost and return it when you're done.
That's amazing. So no cost to anybody?
No cost to anybody. We ask people to consider making a suggested donation. It's totally optional. About half the people do, half the people don't, and those scenarios are both fine with us.
You have items for children as well?
We have some pediatric equipment. We see demand mostly from children, unfortunately, breaking their legs and needing smaller pediatric equipment.
All right, in the news lately are how long it takes to fix wheelchairs, you know, a month or two sometimes, and there aren't enough of them. Are you filling the gap here?
So we are trying to fill that gap. There are a lot of use cases for our library. One of them is to borrow things short term until you either get your own or until yours is fixed. We sometimes have power wheelchairs, but not very often.
Are you going to expand the kind of equipment that you have?
So we lend out roughly 10 categories of equipment, and our goal is to always have those when people need it. So we will actually buy some of those types of categories of equipment, and know that people can get them when they need them.
This is so fabulous. All right, so you're in Stamford and Bridgeport. You told me you're going to expand across the country.
We have national aspirations. It's one step at a time. We started in Stamford a little over 3 years ago. We're just opening our Bridgeport branch to serve the greater Bridgeport area. We're learning a lot. We're improving our technology, and our goal is to eventually come to a town near you once we figure everything out.
How needed are you? Have you already seen that over the 3 years?
Yes. So last year alone, 6,000 people either borrowed or donated equipment to us. So we started this, you know, again, 3 years ago, and we have stumbled upon an unmet need that exists in our area and likely in most areas in America.
How did you stumble onto this in the first place? Was there somebody in your past or somebody that pulled at your heartstrings? Let's get to the nitty-gritty of this.
So for me personally, I've written a couple of children's picture books. I've always loved the concept of a library, and I found myself in Israel at this organization, Yad Sarah. And when I looked at it, I said, this is kind of like a library, it just doesn't involve books. And that concept appealed to me. And like I said, there is just a tremendous unmet need for something like this to meaningfully improve the quality of people's lives, measurably save us all money. And lastly, this is green. We're keeping about 100,000 pounds out of landfills every year, and we're just getting started.
And quickly, how can the public at large help you do your work?
Sure. So all not-for-profits need support, financial support. We also need volunteers. We've got a great group of volunteers who help us every week. And we also need your equipment. We can help you save space in your home. You don't need to throw this stuff out. If your equipment's in excellent condition, we will sanitize it. We will put it in our inventory, and everybody in the community can borrow it.
Just terrific. Thank you so much for coming on and telling us about this much needed equipment.
Thank you so much, Ann.
Take good care.
Yeah.
And if you would like to know more about Wheel It Forward, go to WTNH.com or the News 8 app.